Hi everyone, welcome back to AZ Network channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Trust wallet on your mobile phone. I'm showing you on my iPhone, so let's jump in and get started. Just before getting started, please guys, subscribe my channel to support my videos and support my channel so I can make more videos for you guys. So let's jump in. First of all, you need to go to App Store, and then in App Store in the search bar just write Trust Wallet. The first one, it shows like a with a lot of review and a lot of good review. It shows like a Trust Crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So go ahead and download this one and install on your iPhone. When installed, just click on the open. Okay, guys, you can go ahead and click open, and when it's open, if you have already wallet, you can put your data in. If you don't have it, you can create a new wallet. Hit the create new wallet and select the accept and terms. When you accept that one, you can also check that I understand if you lose your recovery words and stuff, you will be responsible. Like Trust Wallet doesn't be responsible, so remember these 12 words. And please make sure you don't share this tool first with anyone. So go ahead and click understand and continue. Okay, guys, here it shows you your 12 words. You need to save it, and please save this one. Don't share this 12 words with anyone because that's how your wallet can be hacked, or somebody steal your cryptocurrency. So make sure you secure your wallet by saving this 12 word, and go ahead, just save it in the ascending way, like 1 2 3, because it's gonna ask you to verify what's the first one and what's the second one in the next step. um, so save it in the like 1 2 3 until 12, and then go ahead and type it in the verify recovery phrase. You need just to select each of them by one from 1 to 12. When you wrote all of them down, so what you need to do, just if you make a mistake, it shows you that you make a mistake. So just write down all of them and hit the continue button. So it will take you to the next step, which is say, hey, congratulations, your wallet is successfully created. So right now your wallet is ready. You have like a four coins, for popular coins. You can go ahead and add all the other coins that supports by the Trust Wallet. So just click on the setting and just turn on whatever you want, and whatever you don't want, you can keep it, turn it off. For example, I want SETA and I want XRP, so you can go ahead, turn on that once, and then go ahead. You have it all in your wallet. So if you have like if you want to connect and you already have more wallet, you can just click at the main wallet in the top and add more wallets right over there if you want more wallet. Let's go ahead and talk about how to receive and send cryptocurrency for your Trust wallet. So if you want to receive wa- any cryptocurrency, just go ahead, click receive, and which coin you want to receive it, just select it. For example, I want BNB. So here is your public wallet. This one, it's okay to share it because that's how public like private key it works. So you can share it and everyone can send it to you. It's not like the other 12 words to to make your account secure. Okay, guys, basically that's how you can use Trust Wallet in your iPhone, and it's pretty similar with Android. Just follow my steps and you are good to go. And I will try to make more videos in the future and teach you how to connect Trust Wallet with PancakeSwap to buy some other coins and some other tokens in the future. That's not allowed or not listed yet in the exchange. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the ring bell to get notified for the new videos. Thank you guys.